Okay, so today we're making Lance's favorite sloppy joes. And we're going to start this recipe by taking a skillet and just spraying it with olive oil cooking spray. I'm going to put this on a burner. And then we're going to take 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef, the leanest ground beef that you can find at your supermarket. And then you start that browning in the pan. Cook that for about 10 minutes until it's no longer pink.
And after it starts to brown a little bit, and Jackie's going to add the celery and onion. We have a 1/3 cup of onion. Now,
Finely chopped onion. And finely chopped celery.
that's a cup of onions, not a 1/3. Nonstick.
Mix that in, continue to brown. Okay, all those flavors together. Already smelling really nice. So this ground beef is nicely cooked, and so now I'm going to add a 1/3 of a cup of ketchup. Two tablespoons of white vinegar. 2 tablespoons of
Worcestershire.
what is it?
Worcestershire sauce.
Oh yeah.
I know you don't think that's right. But
2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And then 1 8-ounce can of plain tomato sauce. Make sure you look at the tomato sauce because a lot of them have like different herbs and spices in them. We've already added our seasoning to this, so we want to just get plain tomato sauce. And then we're just going to mix all that together.
So why don't you share with us how you say Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
Interesting.
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce.
Interesting.
What is it?
Worcestershire sauce.
Oh yeah.
Fail!
But back to the sloppy joes, they're really looking and smelling amazing.
They look really good.
And I would just simmer them for about 5 or 10 more minutes just to make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. Kind of up to you if you want to eat them plain. I know some people like to just kind of put them on a corn tortilla if you're gluten-free, or you could get some low-carb buns and put them on low-carb buns as well. You could just eat it plain if that's what you prefer. Up to you.